Shawty Love in the house. Y'all know what I'm about.
Hi, I'm Charlie Love, and I'm going to be teaching you how I make my Washington apple. These are the ingredients we're going to be using today. We're going to be using E&J Apple Brandy. We'll be using Ocean Spray Cranberry Raspberry. We're going to be using trusty Tajin. Luscious limes. Cut up some luscious limes. Alright, so we're going to sprinkle some Tajin on a paper plate like this. And we're going to use one of these nice 16-ounce glasses that we have chilling in the freezer. We're going to get a lime wedge. And we're going to put it all around the rim like this. And as we're done, obviously we know what to do next. We're going to be putting it all around this Tajin here we got in the plate. Oh, it's going to look greatest. First things first, squeeze a lemon. Then we're going to put about 2.5 ounces of the E&J apple. Then we're going to add about 8 ounces of the cranberry raspberry Ocean Spray. We're going to add a lemon wedge with some Tajin on it on the side and stir, and it's ready to go. Stir very well. Alright, it's time to try it out. This is the bomb. You saw it first here. The cranberry Washington apple.